This brand is made in Mexico and the units are only sold through dealers in the USA and Canada. The units use louvered panel construction, which is superior for condenser coil protection from hail and other debris. They have a durable baked-on paint with a polyester top coat to keep the units looking good for years to come, but they use R410A, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units are relatively loud in operation with sound ratings that are roughly equivalent to a washing machine, and the warranty on the units is only average as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The 50ZH models, part of their Comfort 14 series, are basic heat pumps with fixed speed blower motors, a 13.4 CR2 cooling efficiency, and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency rating. They are suitable for slab mounting as they do not have base rails for roof curb installation. The 50VT model heat pumps, a part of their Comfort 14 series, offers the same 13.4 efficiency with a variable speed blower motor for quieter air distribution and enhanced energy savings. They have base rails and are suitable for rooftop installation. The 50VR models, a part of their Performance series, are premium heat pumps with two-stage compressors, a 15.5 CR2 cooling efficiency, and a 7.5 HSPF2 heating efficiency. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.